My Super Parents Secret Story by Stephanie. My parents have many secrets. One night I found out that my dad could fly. Another night I saw my mom using her mind power to move things. My dad flew around and saved people in danger. My mom used her mind power to keep flower pots and fragile things away from children and others. She also gets adrenaline rush when she saved everyone from falling objects. I asked my parents why they saved people. They said they did it to be like heroes in movies. Helping people makes them feel proud, and they said saving and helping people is their tradition. I am proud to have parents with these kind of abilities. Every person has unique abilities. Show your charm and live well.